Alright, now that you know that these two screws that were underneath are the ones that are holding this part of the chassis onto this part of the chassis, then we can move on to trying something a little bit different, because now that you know that you've seen me tear it down, one thing that I've never done before is I've never changed a FEP on a vat. It's this tambourine-like, plastic. And this one, I think, leaked a little bit, or anyways, really, really badly scratched. And it doesn't really have the tension that it's supposed to have anymore. So I'm going to try to go ahead and remove it. However, what's important is that if you do this process, make sure you do clean your vat very, very well, because you don't want any resin to get onto your new FEP, which would be a terrible, terrible thing. So I've never done this before. We're going to try it out. And let's see if we even have the tools we need here. Nope. Let's go see if this is the one that comes with the machine. Yeah, it is. Alright, so we're going to remove a bunch of screws. And this is coming off really easy, which means that whoever did it before me hopefully knew about the rule of not over-tightening everything. And hopefully that means that if you don't over-tighten things, you can still get a good job out of the FEP thing. Again, it's very new to me, so if I make a mistake, well, you'll learn from it. Certainly learn from it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, because this is a lot of unscrewing, and I think you guys get the idea.